Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you Kolb's electrolysis. So there are two necessary conditions for electrolysis to take place. The first one is there must be water, presence of water, some solution that conducts electricity and electric current. For this Kolb's electrolysis, for the preparation of alkynes are having triple bond between the two carbon atoms, and this one is the simplest alkyne, that is ethyne. For preparation of this alkyne, we will do Kolb's electrolysis. For this, we are going to use reactant sodium fumarate. This is sodium fumarate, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and its name is sodium fumarate. When we pass electric current through this sodium fumarate, what happens? It ionizes into cation and anion like this. So this is your anion, negatively charged, and two Na positive cations, Na positive and Na positive. Okay, so these are two Na positive, and water also ionizes when we pass electric current through water. It ionizes into H positive and OH negative. Since this positively charged and this negatively charged hydroxide ions are having strong force of attraction, so it forms sodium hydroxide. Okay, since there are two Na positive, two NaOH must have formed. So for this two NaOH to be formed, there must be two hydroxide ions, and for reacting with two hydroxide ions, there must be two H positive and two water molecules must be there. So this is a balanced equation, and these two have already reacted. The ions left are this one, succinate ion, and this H positive. So what happens to these two ions? There are two electrodes in electrolysis. The first one is cathode. Cathode is negatively charged electrode, and the other one is anode, that is positively charged electrodes. So towards this negative electrode, this positive ion goes. Okay, so since there are two H positive, they are deficient of two electrons, so they gain two electrons and forms two H atoms that further forms hydrogen molecules, H2. Okay, since it is not stable, it converts to a molecule, hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen gas is released at cathode, and this negative ion goes towards anode. Okay, this goes towards anode. So let me write it here. So since it is having two extra electrons, it is going to lose two electrons to form this molecule. Okay, so this bond is formed by two electrons. One electron goes here and the other electron goes here. One electron goes here and one electron goes here. So what happens? This CO2 molecule is released when it is heated. Two CO2 molecules are released here, and these two electrons form another bond, and it forms CH triple bond CH. Okay, this is ethyne. Since two carbon dioxide molecules are released here, it is also known as decarboxylation reaction. So I hope this electrolysis is clear. This is for preparation of ethyne, CH triple bond CH. This is ethyne. Okay, simplest alkyne. Thank you so much.